Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Snapchat group. So guys, let's go to your Snapchat. Now go to your inbox. Now tap on the blue pencil icon. Now tap on new group. And now it's going to ask you who do you want to in the group. So let me add a few friends. And let's enter a group name here. Now tap on chat with group. So guys, you can see the group has been made. So guys, that's it. That's how you can make a Snapchat group very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.